Court Judge Jairus Ngaah has recused himself from hearing a petition challenging the National Government Constituency Development Fund. This was after the National Assembly made an application through lawyers Otiende Amolo and Peter Kaluma, who claimed that the judge was part of the bench that adjudicated over the impugned act in another matter that was declared 23 laws unconstitutional. Grace Murayde with that story.
The suit challenging the quashing of the legality of the CDF after the Apex Court termed it null and void in its entirety on Thursday took a fresh twist. This is after Justice Jairus Ngaah recused himself from hearing a suit that challenges the 2015 National Government Constituency Development Fund Act. This has come about when the National Assembly filed a petition through attorneys Otiende Amolo and Peter Kaluma, who alleged that the judge was a member of the panel that decided on the contested act in a separate case, in which 23 laws were found to be unconstitutional.
The parties who are seeking to join this matter are going to be prejudiced if this matter will proceed today without their participation. And secondly, my lords and my lady, a slight look at the court order. The order was given by one judge as opposed to the 3 judges, and therefore we feel very strongly that it ought to have been considered by the entire bench before matter takes a turn. And finally, my lords and my lady,
despite his decision to recuse himself, Justice Ngaah has acknowledged that he presided over the bench that invalidated the 23 laws, stating that he might find himself in an uncomfortable position where he might reconsider his decision unintentionally or find it challenging to reverse it.
Of the welfare of the people in the constituencies. Number 2, my lords and my lady, most of the councils who are to join this matter were elected on the 8th of August 2022. And therefore, this matter came before them when they joined Parliament. The matters were brought before them, and after conversing, they decided there is a gap in which they need to come and cover. And more so because they represent the people.
This has come after the National Government Constituency Development Fund Act 2013's fate was sealed when the Supreme Court ruled it unconstitutional in August of this year. The act, which was passed in 2013 and amended in 2015, was declared illegal by the Supreme Court judges. Grace Murayde, Look Up TV.
A total of 20 million.